Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check temperature on MacBook Air M4. The most user-friendly way to do this is by using a third-party application. For example, it can be the Hard application by Access Labs. It's one of the most convenient apps for measuring temperature that you can get for free on your Mac. So in order to get it, you have to open a web browser like Safari on your computer and then enter the official website of the developer, which is the access-labs.com. Press enter to open the website. Go to the apps menu here in the bar at the top, and then find Hard application. Click on it. Click download latest version. You'll get redirected to the GitHub page. And now here we have the zip file for Hard. So just click on it to open. It will be transferred to downloads folder. So open it. And then click on Hard application here. Click open. And right now the application is installed on your computer, and at the menu bar right here you can find your current temperature of the laptop. You can also check the temperature of each particular sensor in temperature sensors tab, or you can view all the sensors in the application and check the temperature for them, as well as other statistics. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.